Welcome back, guys, to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a Karls Bait and Tackle mystery tackle box unboxing. There's three different types of boxes you can receive on a monthly basis. The first one is regular, which is $19.99. The second one is Pro, which is $29.99. And the third one, top of the line, is the Elite box, which we're doing today, and that box is $39.99. Now, before getting into the box, if you look in the description, you can click the link below, and you will receive $10 off your first mystery tackle box. So if you do the regular, you're going to get $10 off, which would make it $10 for your very first mystery tackle box. So this one I'm doing today is the Elite, like I said, and it's $39.99, and it will be $30 if you click that link down below. Now this one is for the bass box. Now they also do have multiple species boxes as well. So if you're going for bluegill, panfish, even catfish, they have that box too, which will also have bass lures in it, but the other species as well. So when you go out there, you can just catch them all. All right, let's get into this box by Karls Bait and Tackle. Let's see. I love receiving these things, I'll tell you that much. All right, let's see what's going on in here. Open that up. The first one we have is the Clutch by Guggen Squad. Really cool. Love the colors. Looking forward to pre-spawn. We all know, well, most of us know, they go after red. This lure is pretty sick. We'll take this out. I don't need the knife. I can just rip it. Here we go. Let's take this out without hooking ourselves. And that's pretty cool. Lipless crankbait. Really nice. See the sound of that one. Sounds really cool. Love that. Yeah, I really like that one. So I want to get a good shot of that, and there you go. So that is the first lure. The second one is the Mike Buka Blue Gill. Now I've been wanting this one. This is nice. This is a nice swim bait. Really excited about throwing this one, and I do love the colors. It looks like it's representing a little bass, and we all know bass eat other bass, so I'm definitely looking forward to throwing this one. Let's take a look at the action, see what's going on with this one, if I can get it out of the box. We're making progress. Let's get it out of there. Let's really take a look at this thing outside of the box. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Definitely looking forward to throwing this one. Get a nice shot of that. Excited already with this box. Just came in the other day. Finally had enough time to get this, be able to record the video. Next we have a Marabou Pro Runner. Now I do like this. This is pretty cool. And I'm definitely liking the color of it, the white. Looking forward to throwing this one. Out fishing ordinary jig since 1959. Sweet deal. All right, let's see what else we got in here. Looks like whoa, pocket pack. Pro staff approved. Awesome. Flipping and pitching type of deal. Definitely looking forward to using that spring, summer, fall, what have you, for flipping and pitching. Next we have the Diesel jig, and it's a football jig by Ketchco. I like the brand. I also like the tightrope jigs, so small finesse jigs. But definitely looking forward to throwing this football jig by Ketchco. Let's see, what else do we have? We have a live target. Now this is pretty big. The Nature of Competition, and it's the Shiner. That's a big boy. Definitely looking forward to throwing that one. And I like the color, and it has a little like some glitter over here, looks like, then like a little light gold stripe on there with the silver on top, and the tail even has some glitter on it as well. So definitely looking forward to throwing that one. What else do we have next? Looks like some jigs, some hooks, some jigs, by Harmony Fishing Company. Never heard of them, but I'll definitely take these for a test run. And I really like this right here. It helps keep that lure on. If you're throwing Texas rig style or what have you, because we've all ran into it, that the Senko or the Dinger just sliding right up that line. So this right here is supposed to help prevent that. So we'll give that a run as well. Now we got some soft plastics, Creme and King of Baits. It says pretty cool. Pretty cool indeed. It looks like it's the 3.75 inch craw. 5-pack and the green pumpkin. Let's see. Ooh, that smells nice. Yeah, that's cool. I like this. I like this one a lot. Let's see. Make sure I get a nice little good capture of that one. Yeah, pretty cool. Pretty excited throwing this one. I'm definitely looking forward to it. All right, what else have we got? And last but not least, it looks like by Excite Baits. Heard of them, like them, plan on using them. And I do like this. It looks like green pumpkin as well. And let's take a whiff of these. I know usually Excite Baits comes out with some really cool stuff. Yeah, cool. Less of a smell than the other one, but pretty cool. Pretty cool in my opinion. Nice little action. Definitely would throw this on like, definitely would finesse this one like a Ned rig or something along those lines. Really cool. And if you guys know me, you know I love the black pepper flakes. Awesome. Well, cool box. And then it just comes with, add to your box. So if you plan on getting the box, you can also add other things to it and they'll ship at the same time. On the back here, it has how much everything cost at retail value. And when you add all this up, it's a lot less if you order the box than if you all bought it individually. Comes with some tips and tricks and this cool Catchco sticker. It's like a rodeo bass, if you will. Yeah, I'll call it the cowboy bass sticker. I'm definitely gonna throw that on something. All right, wonderful. Well, I am so glad you guys have watched. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. And if you have any comments whatsoever, please drop them in. Helps this channel in its progression. And once again, I thank you guys. And always remember, family and fishing first. Take care, guys.